I saw the moon dip low beneath the streetlight glow. Echoes of a rhythm in the city's undertow. Steps on the pavement, syncopated flow. I'm lost in the moment where the time won't go. Groove machine got me moving unseen.
What's up, y'all? Come on up in here and get you some of this game. Whoever said that this game was to be sold and not told was a scary hustler. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of command. Today, we redefine control. I'm gonna give you the game, but if you need to learn how to use it, don't trip. Our new ebook will put you on pace to be the biggest thing since sliced bread. You feel me? There's no need for shady folks who only sell you just enough to get you almost there, only to keep you coming back. Trust me, we put everything in this book, even some gems we stumbled upon along the way. So if you're looking to sharpen your blade, you at the right spot. Now this channel is for those who want to learn the ways of this AI thing. But everyone is welcome to join in. You just might create a masterpiece. The ebook will be available in the very near future, so stay tuned. So, today we're gonna start by going over some of the tools we'll be using. Since most of y'all have already heard of ChatGPT, we'll start with that. It's a pretty good tool with multiple uses. Think of ChatGPT as your own personal assistant. You just need to know how to tell it what to do. And that's the main purpose of this episode, which brings us to the next topic, telling ChatGPT what to do with a prompt. Now, a prompt is the way you give instructions to ChatGPT. You describe what you want to see and how you want it to look. In this instance, we're generating images. So make sure to be specific when describing what you want to see. But I'll be honest, we're not going to use ChatGPT for the images directly. Stay with me on this one, y'all. We're going to tell ChatGPT to write a descriptive text-to-image prompt, detailing whatever image you have in mind. And while you do that, I'll do this. Now we copy the prompt it gave us and slide over to Google AI Studio and use Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Now we just wait on our image. And that's pretty much it. Did you notice that we haven't spent one dime? Now, is y'all starting to see where I'm going with this? Main objective is to stack more than you spend, and our ebook is full of no-cost options to get you high-quality results. While the book is still in production, I decided to share a little bit to at least get you guys started. Now that we can generate images, let me give you one more thing. We need a place to practice our prompting skills without limitations. I got you covered on that one. Slide over to veer.com. That's VHEER. You can try out unlimited prompts. You'll be glad you watched up to this point. I can't wait to see what y'all create. Let's get to work. Slide on over to the channel, YouTube at Quarter Spoon Music. Get you a dose of the hog. We got something for you over here at Under the Radar Films. Thanks for tuning in to the very first episode of our show. Without you, there is no us, and we out. Let's get to work.